Car wash owners know how important it is to keep their bay doors open during the cold winter months. Open doors leads to more customers. That's why it's important to install a heating solution that is efficient, cost-effective, and will last longer. We understand the challenges that car wash owners face when heating their facilities in order to increase throughput and profitability. That's why we invested 6 months with a car wash in Indiana to determine what components and parts would most benefit if replaced with longer-lasting stainless steel. Galvanized units are severely impacted by the acidic environment of a car wash and have a typical life expectancy of just 2 years. Consistent repairs and replacements are required to keep the doors open. With the improvement to a stainless steel unit, life expectancy significantly increases and maintenance decreases. We are happy to introduce our custom solution designed to address car wash heating challenges. The new S-Series stainless steel units. These units will be longer lasting, require less maintenance, not only heat your facility, but dry cars too, and we will even train your maintenance crew. Please get in touch with your local Cambridge representative to find out more.